My name is Liliana and I'm all the way from Houston, Texas, originally from Argentina. I have 2 grown children, a husband of 36 years, was generous enough to arrange everything and give me this as a present. I'm really battling with my gray hair. I'm covering it every 2 weeks. I think that's the way I ended up with dark hair. I don't think I'm ready to go gray. When I leave today the studio, really I want to feel dramatic. I'm bubbling. I'm exploding inside. I am 66 years old, but deep inside, I think I feel like 25.
So we're the same age. Let's go out. Yeah.
Oh, he's talking to Christopher. He's gonna suck the life out of him. He loves to talk to people. That's how we learn.
That is great. What happened?
You have a new wife.
I do. I don't recognize this one. This is
a
Lily 2.0.
I'm so happy.
No,
You look so nice. I love it.
This is good. You're like a star.
Yes, I am a movie star.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to make the doors bigger. There was a couple of things that I was worried about. Red, going red. I was hoping, because she used to have short hair a long time ago, like almost pixie, and I was kind of hoping for that. But this is great.
Yes.
This is more than great.
He changed
this
this way.
is more than great. Oh, I love it.
Oh, he's
No.
done incredible.
Just listening to you outside made me excited about seeing what the final deal. No, está muy bonito. Muy bonito.
It's been a wonderful experience, out of this world. Everything from beginning to the end. What I need to do is make my face wider, not longer. I have a long face anyway.
No, but you read his book cover to cover.
Yes, I was telling him that I always, now my choices are different because of his book and the rings and long neck. Don't make me cry. Yes, because he changed it to the other side to help me with this lazy eye. I don't want to get old. I'm going to do it kicking and screaming. And Christopher is 27, so we were planning to go out together. So...